Beautiful. So in this other part, what we have to do now is we want to do examples in sentences. And this is the most important part. Examples of verbs in sentences. Many people keep asking how to use examples in sentences. And now we want to give you an example of all the verbs that we've just talked about in the sentences. Nyiero. Nyiero. Adwa nyiewo law manikod maradadi. Adwa nyiewo law manikod maradadi. So the second one was uso. Idwa uso na ango. Idwa uso na ango. What do you want to sell to me? Love is nyiero. Nyiero. Nyiero is ka ipodho to abiro nyiero. Ka ipodho to abiro nyiero. Okay. Then the next one is ywak. Ywak. Nyathino ywak nango. Nyathino ywak nango. Nyathino ywak nango. Okay? Nyathino ywak nango. Okay. Riembo. Riembo. Omera maduong riembo ga nyamburko. Let me remove my head from that place. Omera maduong riembo ga nyamburko. Also, if you're joining us maybe from YouTube or from Facebook and you see a verb and you want to just give a sentence for the verb, please feel free to type it on the chat box because it will appear on the screen. If you type it on the chat box, it will appear on the screen. Riembo. Omera maduong riembo ga nyamburko. Then nindo. Adwa nindo chon kawuono nikech nyoro ne waruwo piny. Adwa nindo chon kawuono nikech nyoro ne waruwo piny. Adwa nindo chon kawuono nikech nyoro ne waruwo piny. So that means I want to go to sleep early because yesterday we remained awake all night. We were awake all night. Okay. Then we have bit. 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 Ne onyisa ni odhi bit etie yien. Ne onyisa ni odhi bit etie yien. Ne onyisa ni odhi bit etie yien. This sentence is always difficult to get because of the way most of the words are in, like if you read it, it looks like English, yeah? So it becomes very difficult. So ne onyisa ni odhi bit etie yien. So under the tree. Bet etien. Okay. Then the next one, chung. Chung. Chung is to stand. Chung. Onego ichung malo ka iloso koda. Onego ichung malo ka iloso koda. Onego ichung malo ka iloso koda. So we'll have another break, and in this break now we'll have some music from our very own musician of the day. Kawuono wakao nyaka jathum wakelo ka jowadu. We have brought a musician all the way from wherever she is coming from, so that she can give us some music. Now I'm putting the verbs here. I'm putting some verbs here. If you want to, please write the meanings of the verbs, or you can write a sentence on the screen. It will display on the screen as our musician is giving us music. I'm just encouraging so that Nikki can also learn how to play the piano, you know, and we just don't learn Luo. We learn many things. So I want her to learn how to play the piano as she's doing all these other things, okay? So let's move on. And Jatum, music. Welcome, Ziggy. Juliet, thank you for liking the screen. That key is off. Whatever you're doing after that is off.
That one?
No, that thing you're doing here, that is not something that. Give us music. Go. Yeah. This is the music we've paid for. Joadu. Joadu, this is the music we've paid for. Winjo kaka thum wakelo ngolo kawuono onge macheso. There is no playing in this today. Tupatie nini hiyo kitu ingine. Merry Christmas Sokot. Erokamano Merry Christmas. In bende ibed gi Merry Christmas. Kawuono wan gi jathum mondiek. Gothum mabor. Yama tek yawa. Aya winjuru ma. Christmas. Now in the next session now, what we want to do is we want to bring Tony. And Tony is gonna read. Tony!